we're just going to get a sense of where the beats lie in the tune, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're going to get a sense of where the chords change, right? So it goes like this. Ready, go. Chord, 2, 3, chord, chord, 2, 3, chord, chord, 2, 3, chord, chord, 2, chord, 4, chord, 2, 3, chord, chord, 2, 3, chord, chord, 2, 3, chord, chord, 2, chord, 4. Okay? So now we're going to find out what those chords are, right? So this is what it is. You use D, G, and E, okay? So it sounds like this. Ready, go. D, E, 2, 3, E, G. D, E, 2, 3, E, G. D, E, 2, 3, E, D. E, 2, G, E, 4. Okay, and again, ready, go. D, E, 2, 3, E, G. D, 2, 3, E, G. D, 2, 3, D, 2, G, 4. So it's going to sound like this. Hang up. D, 2, 3, G, D, 2, 3, G, G, 2, 3, D, 2, G, 4. D, 2, 3, G, D, 2, 3, G, D, 2, 3, D, 2, G, 4. Chord, 2, 3, chord, chord, 2, 3, chord, chord, 2, 3, chord, chord, 2, chord, 4, chord, 2, 3, chord, chord, 2, 3, chord, chord, 2, 3, chord, chord, 2, chord, 4. B minor 2 and 3 A, B minor 2 and 3 A, B minor 2 and 3 D, E minor 2 and G 4, B minor 2 and 3 A, B minor 2 and 3 A, B minor 2 and 3 D, E minor 2 and G 4. And B minor 2 and 3 and A, B minor 2 and 3 and A, B minor 2 and 3 and D and D 2 G 4, B minor 2 and 3 and A, B minor 2 and 3 and A, B minor 2 and 3 and D 2 G 4. And do, D, G, D, G, D, D, G, D, G, D, G, D, D, E, G, B minor, A, D, A, B, D, E, G, B, J, B, Do.